Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Hayden, and I'm going to help you today with a quick recipe. That's right, 5 minutes prepping, 2 minutes cooking. You got yourself a microwave mud cake. All you're going to need today is some self-raising flour, some raw sugar, some vegetable oil, a simple raw egg, and a simple cup. Okay, so we're going to be starting your self-raising flour. You want to get a tablespoon, like that. 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. There we go, we're gonna pour it in. Now this is a chocolate mud cake I'm making, but you can experiment with any type of flavor you like. That's what you want to do. You want to have fun experimenting with different flavors. Bit of coffee for mum or dad. 1 simple raw egg. Crack it. Along with that raw egg, you're gonna get your oil, get a teaspoon, just a little bit. And with your fork, whisk it. Going to get to a nice cake mixture. That's awesome. That's what we want. We're going to pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And there you go. Look at that. I hope you enjoy your little microwave mud cake, and I will be happy to see you in the kitchen again. Bye.